Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. And today we're going to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart. I don't know if you noticed, but I wear glasses. I've been wearing glasses since the 3rd grade, and my eyesight is horrible. And it seems like it gets worse and worse and worse every year as I get older and older and older. So when the folks at EyeQue reached out to me and said, hey, will you demonstrate our product Vision Check? I said, yeah, that sounds pretty cool. I'll check that out. So what this does is it tests and tracks your vision with this little guy here and your smartphone. You attach it to your smartphone, and then you can also order glasses. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box and see what we have, and then we will test our vision. So it's at-home vision testing. It comes with an App Store, Google Play. It says here, EyeQue Vision Check is used with your smartphone to determine your eyeglass numbers. That's lens power needed to correct nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. Then the results are safely stored in the EyeQue cloud. Here in the package, we've got the device, you need the phone, and then an active membership. So, without further ado, what can I do with Eyeglass Numbers? Well, we recommend using them for general tracking of your eyesight over time and providing it to your eye care provider for your annual eye exam or for evaluation. EGNs can be used to order eyeglasses from online retailers that do not require an eye care provider's prescription certification. Eyeglass numbers are not prescriptions. Personal vision testing does not replace the need for the annual eye health exam by an eye doctor. So for ages 18 and older. So let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. Here we are. We've got the Vision Check box, the ophthalmic refractometer. Okay. That's fun to say, ophthalmic. Then it's got your serial number. Don't look at my serial number. In the box, we got to download the app, but let's look at what's in the box first. Pupillary distance measurement system. Okay. We've got a little how-to at-home vision testing. This is the little thing that you use to put on your smartphone, I suppose. We've got a cleaning cloth. We've got a USB cable, and then we've got this strap, which I believe the strap hooks on these guys right here, like so, and the straps around your phone, and so it holds to your phone that way, so you can do the thing. All right, so let's go ahead, grab the phone, and download the app. App Store. EyeQue. There we go. EyeQue Vision Check. Install. Open. Okay, once you get everything in there, you sign up for an account, getting your stuff going. So, okay, let's go back to the app next. And then I'll put in the password. Done. Sign in. Want me to put in the serial number. Male. Birth year. That's my daughter's birth year. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, you get to see exactly how ancient I am. Do you wear distance eyeglasses or contacts? Yes. Do you wear reading glasses? Yes. I don't know. Let's say 3. What is your region? United States. Subscription activated. Okay. So then it gives you the option to start doing the thing, I guess. So let's practice. Okay. So then there's a video. Okay, there we go.
To pair your device, hold down the power button on the side of the device for 5 seconds. Once the blue LED light begins blinking, select Scan on your screen. Please select your device shown towards the bottom of your screen. You are now connected. Please continue. Remove the plastic cover at the base of your device. Attach the device within the dotted lines, then secure it with the elastic band. Make sure the EyeQue logo is facing toward the bottom of your phone.
Okay.
Start your first measurement. Hold the device at reading distance in front of your right eye, while keeping both eyes open. Once you identify the red and green lines, slowly move the device closer to your face until it touches your right eye. Keep your non-testing eye open and focused on an object in a distance. At the top of your device, tap touch sensors 1 and 2 to overlap the red and green lines to form one solid yellow line. Once overlapped, tap and hold touch sensor 3 to rotate to the next position. You did it!
Yay!
You've completed one full vision test. If you'd like for this test to be included in your vision results, select Save. Otherwise, select Discard.
Save. Okay, so that's how you do it. Yes, I enjoyed that. Continue. So I'd have to do two more tests in order to get my numbers and how long they were valid. So all in all, it takes a little bit of a trick to see where you can get to see the lines and to get them lined up, because really there's just like a very small little slits in this device right here, so it makes it a little challenging. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and finish my test, and then I'll show you my results at the end, and that'll be that. Okay, I got my prescription, and now I'm ready to go ahead and order some glasses or something like that. So yeah, this is good until 10/3/21, which is probably, I think, just about when my next glasses appointment or next vision appointment is supposed to happen. So what do I think of this? I think it's pretty cool. Honestly, like, I wasn't sure how well it would work because my eyesight is really not good. And so I was curious as to whether or not it would actually like read and do what it needed to do. And I did have to end up doing the test about 6 times instead of 3 to get consistent enough results that it could give me the results. It did have the option to contact customer care if I needed to do that. But all in all, I have to say that I think next I'm going to go ahead and order some glasses. I know that Vision Check EyeQue they have glasses that they offer as well. So I'm going to look at their catalog online to check out what they have and get some testers in to see how well they work. Everything that I'm talking about, this whole package is down into the description below. So go down there and click on that and check them out. But all in all, I mean, this is technology at its best. This is the kind of thing that is going to make people's lives a lot easier. Imagine folks who have difficulty getting to and from the doctor or something like that. This is the kind of thing where if you feel like your eyes are not doing as well as you wanted them to, and I know that when I was over 40, all of a sudden I started to feel like my distance vision was changing. This is the kind of thing that'll give you a little bit of peace of mind and let you know what's really going on. So it's a pretty cool little thing, and it works really well. It works really well. You kind of get the hang of seeing the two lines inside after a little bit, and then once you get the hang of the controls, it really does work as advertised. So I'm anxious to see where it goes from here. But once again, I want to say thanks to Vision Check for sponsoring a video for me to go ahead and check out their system here and see how it works for me. If you're interested, like I said, down in the description below, there's links, there's everything else that you need. Once again, thanks so much for being here. If you haven't been here before and you want to come back again, like, subscribe, bell, notify, got all kinds of tech videos for you if that's your kind of thing. Otherwise, thank you so much for coming back again. Once again, my name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. Until the next time, I'm out.